Have you ever wondered what came before toilet paper? I mean, TP wasn't around forever, right? So what was it? Leaves, dirt, rocks, sticks? I need to know. But first, there's some business I need to go take care of. Where's the toilet paper? No, no, no. Of course, in our caveman days, we used leaves and moss and pretty much anything we could get our hands on. Fun fact, even chimpanzees wipe their behinds with leaves. But eventually it was time for us to evolve and think of some more creative solutions. Is it in here? No, no, not it. Fast forward to the ancient Greeks, and we decided pebbles and rocks were the best bet. We even used to write the names of our enemies on them, so we'd literally be wiping our ass with them. But you're probably wondering, didn't that hurt? Well, yes. So we decided to come up with some bigger and better solutions. No. Not it either. Now we're back in the Roman times, and bathrooms looked like this. That's right, public latrines were the norm, and they decided the best way to clean their butts was with, this. Called a tessorium, their solution was a stick with a sponge on the end of it that was stored in vinegar, then used by inserting it through this hole like they were picking a lock, and finally washing it off using the running water at their feet. And the worst part is the sticks were communal.
You are disgusting. You'll never find love. Blech.
What's interesting is that these hygiene sticks were even found in China as far back as 2,000 years ago. You know, speaking of China, we have them to thank for paper. Ugh, no TP in here either. Not long after the invention of paper, Chinese scholars were wiping their butts with old manuscripts. And by the 14th century, the imperial family was commissioning paper specially made for butt wiping. But at that time, paper was a luxury good and way too expensive for the average person. In Europe, the French thought of a different solution. Named after the French word for pony because you straddled it, the bidet was a mini bathtub-like fixture built into a chair that you used to wash out your parts. Pretty soon after, a pump was added that could deliver an upward spray, saving you from having to get your hands dirty. I feel like I've looked everywhere for this toilet paper. Maybe I should check outside? For the longest time, the common practice in America was using newspapers or dried corn cobs. Try not to think about that one too much. But one day in 1857, a man by the name of J.C. Gaetti had a brilliant business idea. He thought if he could spread rumors that the ink from the newspapers was toxic, he could sell a buttload of his new product, J.C. Gaetti's medicated paper for the water closet. Even though factually he was very much not correct, his product caught on like wildfire and gave us pretty much what we know today as toilet paper. I think I need to go inside now. Man, guess it's gone forever.
A few moments later.
So much better. I guess the moral of the story is, no matter what shit gets in our way, we always find a way to get it done. Speaking of getting it done, have you subscribed yet? Because there's so many more questions left to answer and I don't want you to miss any of them. Anyways, go watch this video next about another question you just have to know the answer to. I'll see you over there in that video. Okay? Bye!